Namaskar my dear friends. Let us try to find out how we can find the number of even and odd numbers in a given vector. Okay, so let us say we have a vector of some elements, and we have to identify which of them are even numbers, which of them are odd numbers, and what is their lengths. Okay, so let us try to find out like this. We have a vector A which is kind of like, let's say, 2 4 5 10 12 17 30 40 like that. Okay, our aim is to find out all the even numbers separately and odd numbers separately from this vector. Okay, so that's the understanding. So what shall we do? It's very simple. We already know that a number which is divisible by 2 is even, and which is not divisible by 2, that will be odd. So we can utilize if statement to find out that condition. Okay, so what shall we do? Let us try to write down m, which is going to find the length of vector A. So length of vector A. So I have now length, right? Like how many number of elements are there in vector A? Got it? Then let us say we have even values, even. Okay, or I'll put it like this, x even. So x even, what I am going to do is I am going to initialize a empty vector. Okay, so we have an empty vector which will be storing all the even values, right? Similar to that, we will store all the odd values in the another empty vector. Okay, so x odd will store odd values and x even will store even values, right? Now what is our aim? Our aim is to go from first value to the last value and keep checking which of them are even and which of them are odd, and store them in x even and x odd, right? So for that we can utilize for loop. Okay, so for, let us say, I is equal to 1 is to m, because m is the length of the vector A. Got it? Now what is the thing? If my mod of the number, right, so number is ai, okay, like a1 a2 a3, like that it will keep on going. Got it? So ai comma 2, because it is going to divide it by 2. So if it is going to be 0, then we will say the values are even values, so we will store that value into x even vector. So can we do one thing? X even is going to be equal to x even comma ai, if it is that. Suppose x even vector has become x even appended with the next value which is going to be divisible by 2. Got it? If it is not divisible by 2, what we will do? Else my x odd will get attached. So I will just do the same thing for x odd. So my x odd will get appended with x odd. Okay, so we have completed the condition statement. Now we'll put int, so that if a statement will get int, and we'll put one more int so that for loop will get closed. Okay, so we have closed all the things. Now if you want, we can display the values of x even and x odd by writing a print statement. So fprintf the even values are and we can write it down, display x even. Got it? Similar to that, we can write down for odd statement or odd values. So the odd values are x odd. Okay, now let us run the program and see how many values are even and how many values are odd. So this is a very simple program, as you can understand. So let's run the program. Even, odd values. Okay, so as you can see, we have the vector A, which is 2, 4, 5, 10, 12, 17, 30 and 40. Total number of values were 8. Okay, so we have even values are 2, 4, 10, 12, 30, 40 and odd values are 5 and 17. So this is correct. If you want to find out how many numbers are even and how many numbers are odd, then what you can do, one more thing, display length of x even. So this is how you can find out length of even values, and similar to that you can find out length of odd values as well. Okay, so that's all. So you are going to get length of even and length of odd. So total 6 values are there which are even and 2 values are there which are odd. If you want to change your vector, let us say I am going to append some more values. Let us say -20, -400, 1000, 23, then 123, then 167, all these things. Okay, now if you run, you will get the vector and the corresponding even and odd values. So you can see total number of elements are 14 and we have even values are total 9 values are there, which are 2, 4, 10, 12, 30, 40, -20, -400 and 1000. And you can see odd values are 5, 17, 23. So you can see 23 and last all are there like 123 and 167. So total 5 values. So 9 plus 5, 14. So total 14 elements are there in the array. Okay. So if you hope you have understood this particular program. If you do have any customization or any other queries regarding how to find the number of even values and odd values in a program or in a like a array, you can let us know in the questions and we shall be able to answer you out. Thank you.